here we go. Obviously saw that I got him. I'm going to take this one out here. You've probably already seen maybe a few of these, but this is going to be my take on it. Instructions, got the decal sheets. I think I've seen them online. I haven't seen them in person. Oh, they're very cut. So we got, that reminds me of a guy off Roblox. And here it goes. Oh, wow. Oh, those are sick. It's a lot heavier than what I thought it was going to be. That is for sure. Now, normally you'll see me yeeting boxes across the garage, but I'm not going to do it with that one. I'm just going to take this in for a second. I put my down payment on this thing, the first one that I bought, in July of 24. So it's been almost 2 years. I was one of the, I don't know, like original founders or whatever. And I watched this thing come full circle. All right, let me put some batteries in this thing and I'll be right back to see if I can get this to do stuff. Okay. I got batteries for the remote, got batteries for the truck. So we'll turn the remote on. It's just like any other RedCat remote if you've ever seen one. Plug this in. Oh, we're making noise. Hang on. This battery I'm using is a little bit different of a shape than what they kind of recommend, so this may not work very well. But it's okay. And I also don't know how much juice it has in it, so we'll see. Get out of here. Okay, so we got all the way up, and then back level, and then all the way to the left, all the way to the right, so we can do something like that and like this. That's probably how I'll display it most of the time, because I kind of like that. Kind of kicked up, and then also, I don't know, something like that. I'm not real sure. It depends on where everybody is to kind of show you. See, I just think that looks good. We need a little bit more uppy. There we go. So I did notice people were talking about, I'll show you over there. So right down in here at the back of the frame, if you don't have everything all the way up, so like when you go to dump it back down, it's gonna hit the frame there because the bed doesn't clear it. But you can always just then you put that down and then back down. So let me go back. Jesus. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just pushing buttons. I'm like a little 4-year-old playing PlayStation. That's so silly. Yeah, so it's on 3S, and this, if you just start really dumping on things, this thing's kind of violent. So I think it's super cool, though. Whoa, that does things. Oh, okay, that's why it wouldn't do anything earlier. It was already... Oh, nice. So this is all the way up this way. That's all the way up, and then you gotta... I don't know. I like it, though. I think it's super freaking cool. It stopped raining. Let's go drive it. God, this is cool. It is small, but like a lot of people were saying, you know, oh, I think this is, you know, under 10 scale, whatever. This is 10 scale, and they told us way ahead of time, this is going to be 10 scale as we can get it. Like, it's going to be as true to scale as we can possibly get it. One of the things that I've seen people doing is they're comparing it to like the RC4WD Drive Mojave, or, you know, the extra cab body. Those are not 10 scale. Those things are like 8 scale. If you look at something like the, you know, the Axial CJ7, that thing's monstrous. It should be smaller than this is for a CJ5 or a CJ7. Like, this is how big roughly the CJ7 should be, and it's huge. I think personally the worst thing that happened to scale crawling in general is whoever the hell decided that 10th scale was 313 millimeters. That was the wheelbase for all the 10 scale. That killed everything as far as keeping things relative size, and I think that was a terrible decision. I understand why everybody did it, but it's whatever. Neither here nor there. This is about this thing. I have a plan for this, and I'm going to make sure right now that it does kind of scale out semi right, and then I will decide what I am doing long term. Alright, so we're going to do some math here real quick, because this is one of the things I kind of want to put to bed one way or the other. So it's 104.3 inches for the regular cab, right? So 104, where the hell did I just do that? 104, alright? Now you can see that it is narrower, but we're going to do that too. Let's see, 104, and it is, I mean, literally damn near right on 10.5. The square body short bed is going to be 117. This one's got some hogged out wheel wells, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, and this is like 12 3/4. So 11, 17, or 117. So some quick maths here. 117.5 divided by 12.75. Oops. Equals. This is 9.21 scale roughly by the wheelbase. So this is larger than what these are, and the Toyotas are almost the same size, so they're even bigger because they are supposed to be smaller. So is it small? Yeah, it's not like, to me, a 350 small to where it's supposed to be a full-size truck and it's small. It's a small truck that's supposed to be small. So let's go with the width here. Typically overall 65 and 66.5 depending on the trim. Two-wheel drive models, standard or king cab, are 65 inches wide. But if you go outside edge, I mean, it's damn near 6.5, 6 and like 3/8, a little more than 6 1/4. So we'll do square body width. The overall exterior width is 79, measuring across the widest part of the standard body panels. So we're gonna go wheel well to wheel well here. First part is damn near 8 5/8, right? So should we use 79 divided by 8 point, what is 8? 125, so 625 equals right again at like 915. So you're looking at a 9th scale versus a real close 10th scale, which, if you want to know my honest opinion, 9th scale is what I base everything off of, including this garage and everything in it. The refrigerator is 9th scale. So is it a little smaller than what everything else is? Yeah. Does it fit directly at 10th scale? Also yes. Would it have been a little bit cooler if they would have made it 9th scale along with everything else? Probably. That's maybe, you know, that's not untrue, I guess is what I should say. Do I still like it? Yes. Is it going to fit my plan? Maybe. Not real sure right now, because I don't know if I don't know. That maybe I'm gonna have to look at some pictures of some stuff. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing with it quite yet, but I'm not leaving it like this, clearly, because I think most of you people that are watching know me. So it's not gonna stay like this. So you be the judge. Tell me what you think. What would you do with it? What do you like about it? What do you hate about it? Did you order one? More importantly, did you not order one? Are you waiting for the normal edition to come out? What are you doing? So leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. And that is all. If you wanted to see this a day early, become a channel member and stuff and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe, like, everything. So that's it. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.